Nag, Simple Smile, hindi ko nga ma-search kaya yung ano mo. Hindi na si-search yung ano mo. Yung channel mo. Tignan mo ha, si-search ko ha. Simple Smile. Simple Smile lang ba nakalagay? Okay. I don't blame you. I don't wear too much when I sleep. Ah, wow. You don't wear too much. Okay. No, I don't say that you blame you. No, no, no. Oh, ano. Tignan mo. Tignan. Simple Smile. Oh, hindi kita ma-search. Simple Smile, iba itong nasi-search ko. Ikaw ba to? Oh, iba oh. May ibang Simple Smile oh. Magkadikit. Yung simple niya tsaka smile, nakadikit siya. Ayan. Yeah, I know you don't blame me. My friend Aya. I don't wear too much. Yeah, me too. I don't wear too much. But you don't wear too much. But very cold there. No, not cold there. Ayan, bahala na kayo sa nakakarinig ng English ko. Ha? Ayan, Lisong Son, thank you so much. Ibang Simple Smile yun na search ko. Ibang lumalabas. Hindi ka ma-search, Simple Smile. Nababawasan yung views ko. Minumukbang ni Lolo. Lolo naman, huwag mo naman mukbangin yung anak ko. Huwag mo naman mukbangin na aking ano. May kapangalan ka talaga. Simple Smile. Lagyan mo kaya ng number yung ano mo. Simple Smile. John dear, thank you ate. Thank you. It varies on the temperature here. Ah, okay. Okay. My friend mistress. Ayan. Ate, Amana. Ah. Thank you, John dear. Punta natin si John dear. Ay, asa na yung isa ko cellphone. John dear Ferreira. 5 salbahe ni Lolo. Ay, bakit? Bakit salbahe si Lolo? Sinong Lolo yan? Ah, Aling Vicky. Ay, baby girl pala ito. Ay. John there, I'm watching your video. Wait. Ayan. Watching your video, my friend, John there. Ay. Ah, harang. Sabi mo minumukbang niya ang mga viewers mo. Yung views ko, minumukbang niya. Yung views. Ayan. John there, nice fishing. Ayan. 66 then it may be just cool enough to not wear so little. Not that mind sleeping in little clothing. Okay, okay, my friend Aya. Ayan. Ayan, napagod na nangalay na si Ma'am Shi. And watching your video, John dear. Ayan, John dear. Nice fishing, ha? Oh, nice fishing. Ayan. Ay, mag-iisang oras na rin ako. Diba, nakakaraos tayo.